Hey lovelies, today we're going to be making this delicious and healthy sea moss drink. So to make our sea moss drink, I'm going to be using some oats, guys. Also going to be using some peanut. This is raw peanut. And for sweetener, I'm going to use some milk, some tin milk. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Also going to use some spices. Also going to use 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of sea moss gel. Yes guys, this is sea moss gel that I already make, and I had it in my refrigerator. So I'm going to use 1 cup of sea moss gel. And for the spices, I'm going to use some grated nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So this is our ingredients for our sea moss drink. So I'm going to add the ingredients to the blender. I'm using 1 cup of sea moss gel. Look at that, guys. Look how thick that sea moss gel is. So this is some sea moss that I boiled and blend, and I had it in my refrigerator. So this is 1 cup of sea moss gel. And I'm also going to go in with some peanut. This is about a tablespoon or 2 of peanut, and this is raw peanut, guys. Raw peanut. If you have unsalted peanut, you can use that also. I'm using some oats. And I'm also going to use some spices, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, some grated nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm also going to add a half a cup of milk for sweetener. If you have dates, you can use dates for sweetener, but I don't have any, so I'm using half a cup of sweet milk, right? Condensed milk. Now I'm going to go in with 2 cups of fresh coconut juice. So this is some coconut that I blend and extract the juice. And this is 2 cups of fresh coconut juice. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this all together to make a delicious sea moss drink. So guys, I went and added at least 1 more cup of fresh coconut milk because it was a bit too thick and I didn't want it so thick. So I had 1 more cup of fresh coconut milk. So this is my sea moss drink, guys. This sea moss drink is packed with so much nutrients, guys. Look at that. It is so rich and creamy and delicious. So thanks for watching, guys, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribers yet.